Shaheen Shah Afridi, pick of the bowlers from Pakistan. He play. Sure. Yeah, I think that's his ankle, maybe a cramp, we don't know yet. We'll find out soon.
At the point now where it's the sort of thing for me was, if you can't do it, you can't carry on, you just got to go off and get someone else on.
Yeah, he's okay. He's ready to go. Big-hearted boy. Haris Rauf, 1 for 17 already. And let me tell you guys, it's not easy out there. It's very hot, humid, name it. Okay, you'll be thinking, okay, it's only 4 overs, but T20 is a fast game. Let's have a look. Yes, the off-cutter into the pitch, missed it. Austin gone. 8th wicket down for Bangladesh. Look at the excitement here. Well-deserved wicket for Haris Rauf. 2 for 17 in his 2 point.